Good evening, garden family. I just wanted to come on and share what I found at discount prices. Now that the season, the summer season as we know it, is coming to a close, there are a lot of deals to be found on plants, seeds, plants, fruit trees, shrubs. A perfect example is these fruit trees or fruit plants that I purchased. I bought these from, I brought the blueberries from Home Depot. If you're here in the US, Home Depot. And I bought the blueberries that are in the bag from Lowe's. The blueberries, self-pollinating. This particular one is called Peach Sorbet. I got 2 of those. I got 2 of the Blueberry Blaze. Again, self-pollinating. 2 of the Jelly Beans, self-pollinating. I think the original price for them was like $10. Something like that, but they were like 50% off, half off. And I bought these blackberry plants. I got these from Lowe's, and they were 50% off as well, but they have 2 blackberry, thornless blackberry bushes in each one of them. They were 50% off, got them at a deal. So I already have, I think, 1 blackberry or maybe 2 blackberry plants already planted in pots, and I have 1, 2, 3, maybe 6 other blueberries. But you can never have too many plants, especially edible plants. Perfect time to, if you have the space. And a lot of these, especially my blueberries, my other blueberry plants, I've had those literally for 3 years, and they've been in pots, and I have gotten fruit off of them. The blackberry that I got in the pot now, that's this season, but it fruited. I got a couple of fruit off of it. So now is the time. If you're looking for berry trees, the most common ones that you'll find in your big box stores, the blueberries, the blackberries. I even saw fruit trees, citrus trees, if you live in a zone where you're able to grow citrus trees. If not, even you can still grow them in pots and bring them in the winter, or if you have a greenhouse or someplace that you can keep them fairly protected. Great deal when you're buying these. I also purchased at Home Depot, when I bought these blueberries, there were some limelight hydrangeas, and they looked a little scraggly or whatever. They were priced at $29.98, $30. I asked the guy there, because they were looking so shabby, if I can get a discount. He said he'd give me $5 off. But when it actually got to the register, they rung up at $21, but he still honored the $5 discount, and I ended up getting them for $17. Don't be afraid to ask for discounts if the plant looks like it's dying, and especially if it's not on that discounted rack. That visit at Home Depot as well, I also got bags of potting soil, small bags of potting soil that had bust open and they couldn't sell. Got those for like $2. Miracle Grow, I think it was, for $2 a bag, and I ended up getting 4 bags. So next time you're at the big box store, or whatever your local store is, go to the deals. And I've had these berry plants, the blackberries and the blueberries, now for probably about 2.5 weeks, and I haven't put them in the ground. I'll show on another video where I have fruit trees, but I think I'm gonna plant those where I have my other fruit trees. But I just have to put a barrier around them, because I do have deer in the area, and they do like to partake in different plants. So, but that's just what I wanted to share. In addition to preparing for your fall garden, don't forget to prepare for the following spring or the following years to come with discounted plants, edible plant trees, even garden tools or garden seeds. Best time of the year to look for those things. I hope that was insightful and informational for you guys. Just something to think about next time you're out and about, even if you don't have gardening on your mind. Just look for those deals, or just think about somebody who may like a plant, who may desire to grow, don't have enough space. And like I said, blueberries, they can grow in a pot. I'm a testament, and I'm pretty sure a lot of more people are a testament that you can grow blueberries in a pot. Jelly bean, interested to know what this tastes like. I've been looking for the I think it's called pink lemonade blueberry. Haven't found that on sale, and to me it was too costly to purchase it. So, but you never know. But have a good evening, family. Keep gardening.